What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today on the channel we are going to go for a ride along in Jess's 72 Buick Skylark Customs, and this is Jess, and we are out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, and you've probably seen this car in the background a lot. Well, I finally got Jesse out and he's going to take us for a ride in it. Jess, how long have you had the car?
I had the car since 1991.
Since 91. And
Yep.
have you done any work to it since then?
We repainted it, we put some wheels on it, dual exhaust, put a TCI transmission in it and fuel injection in it.
So you turned it all over to fuel injection.
Right.
So you guys, would you be able to take us for a ride?
Yeah, we're taking it for a ride, yes.
All right, guys, so let's go for a ride in this car and we'll pick up the interview in there. Well, guys, we are in the Skylark, and I'll tell you what, boy, does this thing sound sweet. So, Jess, you said you had the car since 91.
1991, yes.
Since 91.
Yes.
And how would you compare driving this car to today's modern cars? A lot different, huh?
Totally different, handling is totally different.
And it seems like it floats around a little bit.
The Buick is a softer ride, so it floats around a little bit softer than I would say a Chevy or a Chrysler product.
Okay, now how many original miles do you have on the car?
45,008 miles.
45,000 original miles on this car. And I tell you what, guys, looking at the interior of this car, it is in mint condition. So let me show you a little bit of the interior here in the dash. I haven't rode in a classic in a while, but these seats are so plush that you just sink right in them. Are these still the original seats from here?
The whole interior is original.
With an original interior.
Yep.
So let me turn the camera around, guys, and just give you a little ride, and then we're gonna go around here a little bit, and then we'll go back to the shop and we will take a look at the engine and we'll go over the car a little bit more. One thing I am noticing riding along in this 72 Buick Skylark Custom is that when earlier in the car I had my window up, and now we have both windows down, and Jess, there's not much wind noise in here at all.
There's hardly any wind noise. Even with the rest of the windows down, it's real quiet.
Okay.
Except for the pipes.
Except for the pipes, you guys heard it. Those pipes sound sweet. So we're going for a ride out here, and I'll let you guys listen to the pipes a little bit. Well, we made it back to the shop. So Jess, what do you say we get out and you give us a little tour of what you have underneath the hood?
Okay, that sounds fine.
All right. So Jeff, what are the fans looking at here?
They're looking at a fuel injection, a Holly Sniper fuel injection we put on it last year. That's basically it. We put a new intake on it, and well, that's basically what we did to the motor.
Okay.
The motor's original. We never touched the motor.
Wow, that is very clean. And are they the stock valve covers that come on it?
No, they're different valve covers.
Okay.
I just got the valve covers that have Buick on it, and I painted the Buick on it to show it up.
All right. And what engine is this?
This is a 350.
350.
Yep.
With
350.
MSD ignition?
Yep.
That is sweet.
Nothing fancy. Just for the driver.
Well, there you go, everybody. A ride in a 72 Buick Skylark Customs. I'd like to thank you for taking me out for a ride in this.
Anytime.
And it rode real nice and it was plush. To be honest with you guys, I was telling Jess in the car, sitting in those seats was like sitting on an air ride, wasn't it?
Yes, it's real nice, comfortable.
All right, well, we're hoping to bring this car more into the channel a little bit and maybe see you out at a couple shows, hopefully, and then we'll get you in another video out at a show.
That's possible, yes.
Okay, guys, so if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, maybe we will on the next time. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, this is Jess, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Wicked Fabz.